An efficient and well-liked method of making money online is via affiliate marketing. This is a performance-based marketing approach in which companies or people referred to as affiliates promote the goods or services of others in exchange for a commission. Due to its ability to generate income without requiring the creation of items or managing the sales process, this kind of marketing has grown in popularity in recent years. There are several essential actions that you must do if you want to profit from affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll provide an in-depth look at how to get started, how to choose the right affiliate programs, and how to effectively promote products to maximize your earnings. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Choose your niche. Selecting your specialty is the first step towards earning money with affiliate marketing. When advertising things, a niche is a particular region or issue that you wish to concentrate on. You may establish yourself as an authority on a subject and develop a devoted following of others who share your interests by selecting a niche. It's crucial to take into account your hobbies, your strong points, and the specialty's possible profitability while selecting a niche. Selecting a specialization that complements your current audience or platform, if you have one, is also beneficial. This might be a YouTube channel, blog, or social media page. You may make sure your audience is interested in the goods or services you're offering by promoting things inside your specialty, which will raise the possibility that you'll close a deal. Research and choose affiliate programs. The next step after deciding on a specialty is to look into and choose which affiliate networks to sign up for. An affiliate program is an arrangement in which a business pays an affiliate a commission in exchange for the affiliate recommending business or endorsing its goods. Selecting the ideal affiliate network for your niche may be rather daunting due to the abundance of options available. Joining an affiliate network like ClickBank, Commission Junction, or ShareASale is one option. These networks facilitate affiliates' search for an enrollment in programs that complement their audience and expertise by aggregating a range of affiliate programs. When researching affiliate programs, there are a few key factors to consider. Commission structure. The commission arrangements for various affiliate programs vary. While some charge a fixed fee for each sale, others take a percentage of the whole amount. Before enrolling in a program, make sure you comprehend the commission structure to make sure it will support your earning objectives. Product quality and relevance. It's critical for affiliates to endorse high-quality, niche-relevant items. This boosts your chances of closing a deal while also assisting you in gaining the audience's trust. Cookie duration. An affiliate may earn commission even if a buyer decides not to buy immediately away, since a cookie is a little file that keeps track of a user's activities on a website. Longer cookie durations are a feature of certain programs that allow you to be paid if a consumer clicks on your affiliate link and makes a transaction within a specific amount of time. Resources and assistance for affiliates. Seek for initiatives that provide resources and assistance to their affiliates. This might include promotional materials, monitoring instruments, and committed affiliate managers to assist with inquiries and issues. Payment conditions. Verify that you are aware of the affiliate program's payment terms. Certain programs have a minimum level that must be reached before payments are provided, while others pay out on a monthly basis. Promote products to your audience. It's time to start pushing items to your audience once you've selected your niche and joined affiliate networks that are relevant to your business. There are several approaches to this, and it's crucial to choose the ideal blend of advertising techniques that appeal to your target market and audience. Blogging and product reviews. Writing product reviews for your blog or website is a useful marketing strategy. You may gain the audience's confidence and persuade them to buy anything via your affiliate link by offering an objective and truthful review. Social media. If you use social media to market things to your audience, it may be an effective tool. Because they let you interact with your audience and graphically present things, affiliate marketing is popular on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. Email marketing. You may utilize your email list to advertise items to subscribers. Think about developing a special email campaign that includes your affiliate link and emphasizes the advantages of the product. Give discounts. If you're an affiliate, you may be able to get exclusive coupons for the goods you recommend. These codes may be used to persuade people to buy from you. Furthermore, providing exclusive offers might make you stand out and attract a devoted audience. Provide useful and educational information. Producing helpful and educational content relevant to your niche may also be a successful strategy for product promotion. If you're pushing beauty items, for instance, you might use the products to make tutorials or how-to articles and then add your affiliate link in the piece. Track your results and adjust strategies. It's crucial to monitor your progress when you begin product promotion in order to determine what is and is not effective. You can track your revenue and visitors with the aid of several affiliate programs monitoring tools. Furthermore, you can monitor where your visitors is coming from and which advertising methods are generating the most sales by using Google Analytics or other tracking tools. To optimize your profits, you may need to modify your promoting tactics in light of your findings. For instance, you may want to put more of an emphasis on social media or email marketing if your blog entries aren't generating many sales. Alternatively, you may need to try a new platform or enhance the quality of your postings if you're not receiving a lot of interaction on social media. Continuously build your audience and brand. In order to succeed in affiliate marketing, you must always be developing your brand and audience. This entails producing material of the highest quality, interacting with your audience, and establishing your authority in your field. You may raise the likelihood that someone will use your affiliate link to make a purchase by continuously engaging with and earning the trust of your audience. It's also critical to diversify your revenue streams by signing up for many affiliate programs and reaching out to new audiences on other platforms. This safeguards you from being too dependent on any one software or platform in addition to helping you generate more money. Common myths about affiliate marketing. After going over the fundamentals of affiliate marketing revenue generation, it's critical to dispel certain widespread rumors and misunderstandings about this kind of advertising. You may improve your chances of success and establish more reasonable expectations by learning the facts behind these fallacies. Affiliate marketing is easy and requires little effort. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick plan, but it may be a profitable side gig. Establishing a successful affiliate marketing company requires persistence, hard work, and patience. Like any other kind of company, you have to create and execute tactics that work, keep them updated and optimized, and cultivate a following of devoted customers. It takes constant labor and effort and is not a passive income prospect. You need a large following to be successful. It's not necessary to have a big following to benefit from affiliate marketing, but it may be. The caliber of your audience, their propensity to buy, and the applicability of the goods you're endorsing are more important. Even with a tiny but very active audience, affiliate marketing may still bring in a respectable living. You can't make money from low-priced products. Another widespread misunderstanding is that advertising pricey goods or services is the only way to generate revenue. This is untrue. In reality, since they are more accessible and attractive to a larger audience, inexpensive items can have a greater conversion rate. Pay more attention to the item's relevancy and quality than their cost. Affiliate marketing is oversaturated. Given the popularity of social media and the simplicity with which one may launch an affiliate marketing company, some may argue that there is too much competition in the industry. Even though there is a lot of competition in the affiliate marketing industry, there are still many of ways to profit. You may thrive in this industry by picking the appropriate niche, promoting your brand strategically, and steadily developing your brand. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.